Welcome to Trend Z channel, home of trends. Here we discuss trending topics around the world. In today's episode, we're diving deep into a fascinating economic phenomenon. Why China, a country once known for its vast population of workers, now boasts the highest number of billionaires globally. This transformation is not only remarkable, but also offers insights into the future of global wealth distribution. Let's explore how China, with its unique blend of resources, policies, and entrepreneurial spirit, has managed to surpass every other nation in creating billionaires. Exposition, a glimpse into China's abundance. China, officially known as the People's Republic of China, is an ancient civilization with a rich history spanning thousands of years. Today, it's not just the world's most populous nation, but also one of the most resource-rich countries on the planet. Stretching over 9.6 million square kilometers, China encompasses diverse geographies, from the fertile plains of the Yangtze River to the arid deserts of Xinjiang and the mountainous regions of Tibet. These diverse landscapes hold vast reserves of natural resources that have played a critical role in China's economic development. For instance, China is the world's largest producer of coal, which has been the backbone of its industrial boom. This coal has powered the factories that produce goods not just for China, but for the entire world. Additionally, China has significant reserves of iron ore, essential for steel production, aluminum used in various industries, and rare earth elements that are crucial for manufacturing high-tech products, such as smartphones, electric vehicles, and advanced military equipment. But China's abundance isn't limited to its natural resources. The country has also built a formidable industrial base that has transformed it from an agrarian society into the world's second-largest economy. With a workforce of over 700 million people, China has become the world's factory, producing everything from simple toys to complex electronics. This industrial might has been a key driver of China's rapid economic growth over the past few decades. Economic policies and industrial growth. To understand China's current economic position, we must look back at the late 1970s, when the country embarked on a series of market reforms under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping. Before these reforms, China's economy was largely state-controlled and isolated from the global market. The introduction of reform and opening up marked a significant shift, allowing China to open its doors to foreign investment, embrace globalization, and transition from a centrally planned economy to a more market-oriented one. One of the pivotal strategies that have propelled China's economic ascent is its focus on industrialization. The Chinese government recognized early on that to compete globally, it needed to build a strong industrial base. As a result, it invested heavily in infrastructure projects, creating an extensive network of highways, railways, ports, and airports. This infrastructure has made it easier for goods to move within the country and to international markets, facilitating trade and economic growth. Additionally, the government launched the Made in China 2025 initiative, aimed at transforming China from a manufacturer of cheap, low-quality goods into a leader in high-tech industries. This initiative focuses on areas such as robotics, aerospace, clean energy, and biotechnology, sectors that are expected to drive future economic growth. By prioritizing these industries, China is positioning itself to be at the forefront of the next industrial revolution. The combination of state-led development and a burgeoning private sector has created a fertile ground for wealth creation. Entrepreneurs have thrived in this environment, leveraging China's massive domestic market and its growing integration with the global economy to build companies that have not only dominated domestically, but also on the international stage. The Billionaire Boom. As of August 2024, China is home to an astounding 814 billionaires, surpassing the United States, which has about 800. This represents a significant shift in global wealth distribution. Just a few decades ago, China had only a handful of billionaires, most of whom were closely connected to the government or state-owned enterprises. Today, China's billionaires come from a wide range of industries, reflecting the diversification and maturation of its economy. So, why is China producing more billionaires than any other country? Several factors contribute to this phenomenon, each playing a crucial role in fostering the kind of environment where wealth creation can flourish. 1. Massive domestic market. One of the most significant factors is China's massive domestic market. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, China represents a huge consumer base. Companies that can capture even a small fraction of this market can generate substantial revenues, driving wealth creation. For example, the rise of the middle class in China has fueled demand for a wide range of products and services, from luxury goods and real estate to technology and financial services. The sheer size of the domestic market also provides Chinese companies with the scale they need to compete globally. This is particularly evident in the technology sector, where companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance have leveraged their dominance in the Chinese market to expand internationally. These companies have not only become leaders in China, but are also major players on the global stage, further increasing their founders' wealth. Government support for entrepreneurs. The Chinese government has played a crucial role in fostering an environment conducive to business growth. Unlike many other countries where entrepreneurs face significant regulatory hurdles, the Chinese government has implemented policies that promote innovation, protect intellectual property, despite some international criticism, and support startups. For instance, the government has established numerous special economic zones, SEZs, that offer tax incentives, reduced tariffs, and simplified regulatory procedures to attract both domestic and foreign investment. These SEZs have become hotbeds of entrepreneurial activity, with many of China's most successful companies getting their start in these regions. Moreover, the government's focus on technological innovation has led to the establishment of high-tech industrial parks and innovation hubs across the country. These hubs provide entrepreneurs with access to resources such as funding, research facilities, and talent, enabling them to turn their ideas into successful businesses. 3. Technological innovation. Technological innovation has been a significant driver of wealth creation in China. Over the past 2 decades, China has emerged as a global leader in technology, particularly in sectors like e-commerce, fintech, and artificial intelligence. This has given rise to a new generation of tech entrepreneurs who have built companies valued in the billions. China's internet landscape is unique, with domestic giants like Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu dominating the market. These companies have developed ecosystems that integrate various services, from social media and messaging to e-commerce and digital payments. This integration has created significant value for users, leading to rapid growth and substantial profits for the companies involved. In addition to these established tech giants, a new wave of startups is emerging in fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and biotechnology. These startups are attracting significant investment, both from domestic venture capital firms and international investors, further fueling the growth of China's tech sector and contributing to the creation of new billionaires. 4. Global expansion. Chinese companies have not limited themselves to the domestic market. Over the past decade, many of China's most successful companies have expanded globally, tapping into new markets and increasing their valuation. This global expansion has been particularly evident in sectors like technology, real estate, and manufacturing. For instance, companies like Alibaba and Tencent have invested heavily in international markets, acquiring stakes in foreign companies, establishing partnerships, and launching new products and services tailored to global consumers. This expansion has not only increased these companies' revenues, but also enhanced their global influence, thus further solidifying their founders' status as some of the world's wealthiest individuals. China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, has also played a role in the global expansion of Chinese companies. The BRI, a massive infrastructure and investment project that spans Asia, Africa, and Europe, has opened up new opportunities for Chinese companies to enter emerging markets. By participating in BRI projects, Chinese companies have been able to secure lucrative contracts, access new markets, and establish a foothold in regions that were previously difficult to reach. Conclusion. China's emergence as the nation with the highest number of billionaires is a testament to its economic transformation and the opportunities it offers to those willing to innovate and take risks. With 814 billionaires and counting, China's story of wealth creation is far from over. The country's unique blend of cultural values, strategic economic policies, and entrepreneurial spirit has created an environment where wealth can be generated at an unprecedented rate. As China continues to grow and evolve, it is likely that the number of billionaires will only increase. This not only highlights the potential within China, but also signals a shift in global economic power. In the coming years, we can expect to see more Chinese companies and entrepreneurs making their mark on the global stage, further solidifying China's position as a leader in wealth creation. Thanks for watching Trendsy Channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting trends like this. See you in the next video.